Hi, Professor Bauer. My name is Elizabeth Yoke, and I am your MindTap specialist with Cengage Learning. I work closely with your Cengage rep, Heather Seplick. Heather and I have put together a demo MindTap course that you can use to review the content, as well as review the Blackboard integration. All you'll need to do to upload the demo content is first log into your Cincinnati State Blackboard account, and then access any Blackboard course to which you can add content without it affecting anything. So if you have a demo course that you can use to play around, or perhaps a past course, that it doesn't matter if you have an extra tab over here on the side. So what I'm going to do, once you've located that course and you've accessed the course, go ahead and scroll down to your Packages and Utilities area, which is in your control panel. Once you've opened up Packages and Utilities, you're going to click on the listing for Import Package. And then you're going to hit the gray Import Package button. So what we're going to do is go ahead and attach the demo package. So you're going to hit Browse My Computer, and we're going to upload the zip package that was attached to the email that we sent you. So I have that zip package in my downloads, but what you'll do is locate that package. And the last thing that you'll need to do is underneath Section 3, we're going to add a content area. So just go ahead and select that area. And then we're going to hit Submit. You do not want to select any of these other options up here. So we'll go ahead and hit Submit. And it may take a few minutes for the package to process. So you can see up here that we're waiting through that process. Once the process is complete, you'll see a record of the import. And then you're going to see over here on the left, you're going to have a tab called MindTap for Criminal Law. When you click on that tab, it'll take you into the links that we've added. The very first time you click on one of these links, it will ask you for your Cengage Learning account credentials. So you'll go ahead and enter in your Cincinnati State email address, and then you'll enter in your password. If you have any questions about that, please don't hesitate to reach out to Heather or myself, and we're happy to reset your password for you. You'll only need to enter this account information in one time. After you've done that, you can access MindTap for any chapter by simply clicking on the relevant chapter's link. If when you click on the link, nothing happens, like it just happened to us here, likely what's happening is your pop-up blocker is preventing the window from opening. So you can go ahead and click the link again and then hit the Options button. We'll click that again. So you're going to hit the Options button that shows up here at the top. And you're going to choose to allow pop-ups for mycstate.cincinnatисtate.edu. And now when we click on the link again, MindTap is going to open in a separate window. You'll click on the Enter button, and then you can click anywhere on the screen to get rid of the overlay. So right now we're looking at all of the resources for Chapter 2. You'll want to keep in mind that you can choose to hide or use any of these resources, so you can use just the resources that make the most sense for your class. Each chapter's learning path will have a similar structure of resources, where it will start with a review of the chapter's learning objectives, a pre-test that students can take. By default, this is set to count toward the student's grade, but this can certainly be changed to practice. Next, students will have a video case along with a corresponding video case questions assignment. These are designed to provide students with real-life examples of the topics being discussed in the chapter and prompt the students to think critically about what they're learning. Next, we'll have the reading. This is the ebook for the chapter. A concept check, which will test the student on the core learning objectives. Then students will have their real-world challenges as well as the Take It Further activity. A post-test, as well as information on career development related to this chapter. From here, you can return back to Blackboard by clicking on the X in the corner, or if you want to navigate to another chapter, you can actually do that within MindTap just by clicking the back button, and then you can select any other chapter that you might be interested in viewing. As you're taking a look, please let us know if you have any questions. When you have some time, we'd love to schedule some time to sit down with you, go through the questions that you may have, as well as take a deeper dive into MindTap and discuss all of the resources that we have available for your students. We do have a rich variety of resources, as well as activities that you can set to be graded and have those scores automatically poured into your Blackboard gradebook. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to meeting you soon.